Remember to stay hydrated, and today we're going to be unboxing two brand new gold class knives from Benchmade. These things are extremely special and we'll cover all the details in this video. For now, sit back, relax, and let's get it. So today in front of me, I've got two gold class facts that I'll be unboxing. These are brand new for 2023. The first one being the 417BK-231, and then the second one being the 417-232. Both of these knives are a part of the gold class family with Benchmade's lineup. If you guys don't know what the gold class lineup is, it's basically made for collectors, and they're pretty much the most special knives that Benchmade makes. Now, because these things are so limited, if you're planning to grab one of these, I would suggest calling up your favorite dealer, mine being House of Blades. Let them know, like, hey, I want to get one of these gold class facts. Can you please reserve me one? Just because they're limited to 200 pieces, these are going to be extremely hard to get. And if you do plan on going through House of Blades, make sure that you use code EDM. That should be able to get you 10% off on these gold class knives. I'm not 100% sure, but hopefully it works. Now, if you've never opened up a gold class box, prepare yourself to be impressed, because this is probably the best unboxing experience I've ever encountered in terms of unboxing a knife. Some of the really special gold class knives will come with this longer box, and that's because it comes with a display case. Normally you'll see the model as well as what type of steel it is an everyday carry type of knife, and then what the opening mechanism is. This one is a Damasteel with the manual open. Normally I'll tell you what number you have as well as the birth date. Going to open this thing up, you will be greeted with a really nice certificate of authenticity. Now, COA just kind of tells you what you have inside the box, and essentially with Benchmade, they have this really nice paper, and when you go to open it up, it'll kind of give you the details. Let me just read this off to you guys real quick. So this is the 417BK-231. It's deep etched and DLC coated Loki pattern Damasteel. DLC coated liners with jeweled faces and cracked ice profile. Black camo fat carbon handles, flat earth PVD coated thumb lugs, lock stud, pivot, stop pin, barrel spacers, and screws. DLC coated and cracked ice deep carry clip, which I'm really interested in seeing that. Genuine axis lock mechanism. This one is unnumbered and born on March 10th, 2023. You can also see Benchmade adds on this really nice gold seal, which is just really cool, and this will probably just live in the box just because I don't really have a point to show this thing off, and I want to keep this in mint condition. So moving inside the box, this thing comes with a really nice display case. Basically, this is just the display case. It has this really nice gold Benchmade logo on both the front side and the top side. Let's go ahead and get this thing opened up, and yeah, this thing is just so nice. Okay, and with the gold class knives, it does come with an upgraded microfiber cloth. This one does have the Benchmade logo in gold. It also does have an axis lock label. They don't actually attach it to the clip, probably because the clip is super nice. And then here is the knife. First impression, just check out that really nice flat earth hardware, and oh my god. Okay, yeah. So let me zoom in on this real quick, but the pocket clip is just outstanding. It has that really cool crystallized look that they were going for. Let me just open this up for you guys. Oh my god, yeah, this is an absolutely gorgeous knife. And the fact has been around for a long time now. This is kind of Benchmade's iteration for the stiletto type of knife, but this one just so happens to be the top of the line one with that crazy Damasteel. Oh my goodness. And normally these things are going to be numbered, so you'll see the number there, but this one is an unnumbered sample variant. And I just noticed that the liners have this cracked ice finish as well. This is just a really classy knife. Oh my god, they did an amazing job. Let's go ahead and tidy up a little bit. I will leave the knife out so that way we can put that on display. And the attention to detail that Benchmade does with their gold class knives is just absolutely insane. The second knife is going to be the 417-232, so let's hop on into this one. Boxed exactly the same, and then let me just read the COA for you guys real quick. All right, so this one's a little bit different. This is the 417-232. It's got a Chad Nichols Intrepid Damascus blade, sapphire blue PVD coated liners with jeweled faces and cracked ice profile. Black camo fat carbon handles, so the same as this one here. Sapphire blue PVD coated thumb lugs, lock stud, pivot, stop pin, barrel spacers, and screws. Sapphire blue PVD coated and cracked ice deep carry clip, genuine axis lock mechanism. This one was born March 13th, 2023, and this one is also unnumbered. I'm super excited to see this one just because it might look a little bit cooler. It has that blue sapphire coating. And opening this thing up, it also does have that gold Benchmade microfiber cloth. There's the axis tab, and then here is the knife. Wow. Okay, so this one's gonna be quite a bit fancier. You'll notice that the liners are gonna be a little bit more pronounced, the barrel spacers, all of the hardware, the pocket clip just looks really nice. That thumb lug is gonna be matching with that sapphire blue coating. And let's open this thing up for the first time. Wow, okay. The Damascus on this thing is gonna be very special because it's from Chad Nichols, a very renowned Damascus maker. And you'll notice the pattern on this is gonna be pretty gnarly. This other black fact is gonna be a little bit more low key because it does have that PVD coating on the blade over the Damas steel. And with this Chad Nichols Damascus, it's gonna be a little bit easier to see the Damascus pattern here. I'm not a huge Damascus guy, but if I'm planning to carry a fancy knife, this is definitely gonna be something that I would consider. In terms of ergonomics, this is gonna feel just like the standard fact, but I think Benchmade did a really good job with both of these models. They are very fancy, they're very James Bond-esque if you wanna call it that. And the question is, which one would you go for? I would personally go for the black one just because it's a lot more low key and not very flashy, but I wanna know, which one would you guys pick? Let me know in the comment section below. If you guys made it this far in the video, throw me a thumbs up. If you disliked this video, throw me a thumbs down, and I promise to you I'll do better next time. Aside from that, thank you guys so much for dropping by, and I guess I'll have to catch you on the next one. Peace out.